Friendship.
Okay,
Friendship.
we're coming up to the town of Friendship, and we're gonna go see the Alloway Memorial.
Now we see this. We see the National yeah. Building. Yeah. There's a lot of remains here.
Yeah.
We've seen this. This is Friendship. This was a primary packing place.
And to the right over there too, Kim.
Yeah.
So.
And then over here, down there.
Here's some remains over here. You see the foundation. And also over there some. On the other side of the road, we have some more remains. We're in Friendship right now. We're on our way to find the Alloway Memorial. Watch over here. This is like ice, but I don't know if you could break through it.
You know what? I'd go this way.
So I'm over here to the left.
That's too deep that way. Wait a minute. What's that? I don't have to stop because then it would be too tight in my shoes. These are very warm.
Here's your clearing over here, Patty, to the left.
All right.
That's really pretty.
I don't know if it would be a good idea just to do it in the summertime with all these branches. No. Because ATV.
To the left and then to the right. Look at. Yeah. Oh, that is really nice. The whole lake is frozen. Careful.
Doesn't look like you got too much further. Well, that's a border up there. You can't pass that one.
Yeah, look at this. This is definitely not a road to go down. Not with a vehicle. See a little bird's nest right there. So our first road we thought we were on was the path to the Alloway Memorial, but we think now that we found it, we went up a little bit further, and we're going down this road now, so we think this is it. Do you see it to the left?
Oh, yeah, see it? Good Lord. It's covered in snow. Yeah, we gotta wipe it.
there's the memorial. Well, good morning from the Pinelands. It's a beautiful, cold, snowy morning. The weather is nice. It's still out here, no wind, so we're doing good back here. We are in front of the Alloway Memorial, and we're going to do a little bit of exploring back here in the Pinelands, and then we're going to be off to Herman City, do some back roads, and also some historical sites. So come along and join us. Look behind here. There's ice on it, so we may not be able to read the whole thing.
Look what they were. They're regular, just bricks.
Yeah.
Cinder blocks, you mean? Cinder blocks, yeah.
Yeah, there is a few foundations over there. So we have
over there too, Kimroy. Look.
straight ahead.
Just straight, yeah.
Some foundations over here. This was a farm. And also there's the memorial over there, and behind there is another foundation. Let's see.
Maybe, but I mean, I think of those old, it only has two things through it. Look. Way pulled back though.
Yeah, that's a small foundation too.
Yeah, but when you look at it,
Yeah.
I mean, this is heavy. It's not like the ones that we have now.
Yeah, that's nice.
I don't know. You might as well just hit it and run. Just go. A little faster.
There you go.
You did it.
Hit it.
It says fire breaks and fuel breaks for wall fire protection. Okay, we're making a left across from Bulltown Road, and we're going to go into Herman City and find some remains of a glassworks tree. Okay, we're over here, and we're going to find Herman City. I don't think this is it, Patty.
What's that?
I don't think it's it. Yeah, that's from beavers.
That's how they know it, yeah. They're right by the water. So.
Yeah. And then
So they're the ones who broke down the tree.
Yep.
right over here. And did you notice? What is this, blood?
That's
Looks
orange.
orangey.
I don't know. What do you
Yeah.
think? There's a lot of them.
So, little beavers.
So now we know then when it looks like it's been cut.
All over there,
Yeah.
too.
They gnaw it.
On the trail.
All over here, too.
So they eat it.
They gnaw it. They leave it. They need it for they make their home. And they have it on the water. Like fields and things like that. Right? Yeah. Alright, well, wait a second. Are we looking for a seed? Yeah, I'm looking for remnants of it. Look at the tree. See that tree is crumbling and they made a hole in the tree.
So we didn't see anything with the first trail, so we're going to go try this over here, this second trail, and see if we can come across Herman City.
Oh, it's working one night. See, there's a house over there.
You got some deer down there running. I saw to the left they ran, now they're running to the right. And we're coming by the lake again. Oh, that's nice.
I'm gonna tread where you tread.
Okay.
Look at that river. That's pretty. I wonder if we missed it. If they did put a roof over it. Dude, there's a beach over here a little bit. Just be careful. I don't know if that's like a little or no. Just a path.
Yeah, there's definitely something right there.
Around.
Because they say it's on the beach.
That looks like a chair.
Very possibly could be.
Oh, yeah, it's over at the sea.
Maybe more over this way.
All right, let's see if they're there. Yeah, see, there's another one. Yeah, there's
looks like a part of a fence. So it had to be back here, Herman City. A little bit hard to find in the snow.
That looks like a bear foot.
Find that furnace.
Okay.
If we can't find it, we'll just go to the next thing.
Okay. You want me to do it?
There's more holes.
There's another hole, but after that it should be good.
Yeah, but how bad is that one? That looks pretty deep too.
Well, we don't have to go though. You don't have to.
She doing it?
Are you going to do it?
She's gonna do it.
I know, we'll see. If not, I'll...
Here she comes. Oh, I hope she don't get stuck.
Hard and fast. Hard and fast. Hard and fast.
Oh, that one does not look good. I don't know. Woo! Hold on.
Come around it. This way. Just get out of the way, because she's going to have to go fairly quickly.
Okay.
Go fast. Perfect.
Look at these prints. Coming up one of the back roads over here, and I noticed these prints. There's nobody back here. Across a pretty big hill in the snow, and Kim is going to go down to check and see if there's a ditch over there before we take it down.
Yeah. What'd she say?
Let's see what she says.
Yes.
What do you say?
It's fine. Just go slow.
All right.
Okay, so there we go.
Just stay in where the tracks are.
All right.
Okay,
You got a four-wheel, right?
Yippers.
here we go.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh shoot, right there. That's
Oh gosh.
that could slip.
Yeah.
Well, in Jesus' name, we're not
Woo!
going to slip.
Holy crew.
There we go. I just
We
let
did
off
almost. Woo. We did it.
We're getting a little too brave here.
Because these roads are slippery too.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Oh, we can get out
Uh-oh,
of here.
what is that over there?
Okay. I don't know. Stop.
Okay, let's see. Are we going up a hill? Let's see if we could do it. Going up.
Okay, and then we just got to get on another road.
What is that?
It's not.
Right now.
All right. Mrs. Gold.
Yeah,
Let's
we have a
swipe
little
right
bit of
over.
rain right now. See that?
Yeah.
You have to see how deep it is.
But see, this doesn't show me anything.
I know.
That's getting me nervous. I have mine in case.
All right. Kim is going to check it out.
see it. I don't want her sliding. 4 years of
Go through this because we are not going to be able to go back and get back up that hill. There's no way the car is going to slide.
Well, it looks like we're going around hills all over.
It kind of does. It's kind of getting hilly a little bit.
Yeah, which I'm not too thrilled with.
I know, especially in the snow.
This doesn't, the question is, look at that.
She stays to the right.
I mean,
Here she
are there
comes.
houses around here? Is that
Well,
house over there?
I don't know. Get ahead! There she comes. Okay, we are trying to get out of here, and I don't think we're going to be able to do that.
No.
How are we going to do this?
Oh, maybe people go around it.
Okay.
There's gotta be a way to go around it.
Okay, yeah, to the right.
All right.
Okay. Ooh-wee. Stay to your right
Yeah.
and keep her going.
Careful, because we're too close to it. Yeah, I know. I see that.
All right, we did it. That's good.
Please go in a circle.
Oh boy, we have to get out of here. We can't go back because we're never going to make it up that hill.
See, it's still requiring a satellite, so it's not looking.
It's not getting anything.
All right, which way am I going?
Okay, so you could either... I have a feeling...
I don't know about that way.
No, I got a feeling this
Yeah,
might
let's
go
go.
around. Maybe this goes around the...
Yeah, let's go see. Yeah, this is going back out to
That's-
where we went.
yeah, that's
we
what
don't
I'm
want to go
thinking.
any further. Oh, another hill. Let's see.
It looks like another hill. Let's
Holy
see.
shamoly.
Well, let's just go up to it and see. It might not be that... If it's not by a cliff, then we're okay.
This is not. Nobody's been
back here.
And there's that big branch right there.
Here we go.
Oh, it's not too
Well,
bad. It doesn't
wait,
look
well,
too
let's
bad.
see. Okay.
All right, it doesn't look bad.
It's not. It's
Oh
not
my
that
Lord.
bad.
All right.
It really does look.
No, it's not bad.
Not bad at the moment.
No.
Well, look, there's something over there.
All right, what is it?
I don't know. We just need to find a house to get someone to get us the
There's
fuck
a
out of
little
here.
house is back here.
No, you're
and
not.
listen, we have no map here either because of the
Okay, well,
clouds.
Yeah.
I might have to do my Google Earth.
Then do you Google Earth?
Yeah.
In the
Let me
meantime,
get my Google map.
Kim, that looks pretty deep ahead.
where?
Straight ahead. Look at that snow.
That snow looks really deep. Oh my God. We were meant to do this, right? Remember?
Yeah.
I said that? Oh my gosh.
All right, let's
where's
see.
Google Earth? I'm shaking a little bit. Maybe Google Earth, we'll see.
All right, so she's gonna check it out.
It doesn't look too deep yet.
No, it doesn't. She's not
God.
sinking in it, so that's good.
Yeah.
I think she's saying to come.
All right.
I don't know what she's saying.
What? She doesn't know.
Oh gosh. Here's Google Earth, and there we are. And there's the racetrack over there.
Here we are, and that's the racetrack, and that's the road, and we're over here somewhere.
And look where we are, in the middle of nowhere.
In the snow.
We have to turn around.
We
Why? Why?
Because those really aren't roads anymore.
There's
Oh
no
my
roads.
gosh.
All right,
It
let's.
looks. If there's something looks to the left, but that gets more.
We're lost.
Yeah, I know we are.
Well, we're not lost. We could go back to where we were, but
We have to try to get back up that
We
hill.
don't have to go up the hill. I'm not going up that hill. We could have made a left,
or we
but
could have went
to the
straight.
All right,
We
so
could've
but
went
that
straight.
but look at the map. That's going to keep us deeper into the
Yeah, we're
Well,
going
we're
deep.
gonna-
We're going pretty
Well, the
deep in.
Almighty man's
Oh,
gonna
God.
help us get-
You go right over here and you turn it around.
It looks too deep, though. No?
Okay, then back it up.
Yeah, it looks
Back
too
it up
deep.
and turn her
Back
back
a road over there.
Yeah, it does. I hope
So maybe that'll take us back
It looked like
out.
there was a bridge.
All right, back it up a little, Patty. Let's see what it looks like. Because I thought that looked like a road.
Yeah.
And if that's the case, maybe we could try that. And if not, we'll just come back out and go back up this way.
I don't want to go up that hill.
Let's see what she says.
The red leaves are deceiving. I thought I saw a building.
I know, I thought I saw one too.
All right, so let's try down that
try
road.
this?
Let's try it.
We can try it. I mean,
And then
At
the
least
worst,
it's going to this way we're supposed to go.
that's where we're supposed to go.
We can't go this way because that's
we have
there's
water
no.
at least in case
Yeah, we
of
do.
anything.
And I have some
And,
snacks. All right, get
we
in
might
here.
be
You're
spending
getting
the
wet.
night.
You're getting wet.
So we're going to try this road, and hopefully this will lead us out.
Go ahead.
All right, let's see.
Oh gosh, this is too narrow.
I don't know if that is a road now.
Oh, that's a hill too.
Yeah, maybe that's not.
I don't know if this is a.
That might just be a trail, because I think it's getting narrower.
Well, I guess it's deceiving. I guess you have to walk.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, maybe try
I don't know what that is.
Trying to
down
get out of here. We have to go back the same way we came, which means we have to go back up that hill.
Oh God.
So,
All right, I can't do it though. I'm too nervous.
see that hill right there? And you see to the left, if this truck slides, we're going in that ditch. That's what we're trying to avoid. And right now we have ice, snow, and rain. So this is not good. You see what I'm talking about right here? This is not good. All right, we got Baja Kimmy. She's driving right now. Keep it under 100. She did it. Go right here. Woo! Here we go. Go, hit it. All right. Woo!
Woohoo! Thank you.
We
God.
did it.
Well, see, we knew.
Here we go. Woo! Just stay in the same tracks, but
Yep.
don't go too far over it.
Yeah, go
Where
to the
were
left.
you? To the left?
Oops!
Woo!
Oops! Lord. Please.
Okay, here we go. Shoot! Woo! Be careful. Woo! Holy crap! That one. Be careful, Kim.
Yeah, Kim.
Woo!
Oh gosh.
Woo!
We had to get through it, girls.
Woo!
I'm sorry. I couldn't deal with going.